Hello and welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today we're facing a major issue in the digital world. For example, when we go to ChatGPT and ask for details about today's news, we might type something like, "I want today's news in the USA." Once we submit the query, it scans the web and returns results from various sources, highlighting key US news and more. It's quite efficient in terms of speed and performance. Now let's say we ask it to define cloudburst and also request a chemical explanation. As we use it, you'll notice that when we submit the query, it immediately generates a response with a scientific explanation and related details. However, there is still a lack of clarity in the prompt. If the same prompt is given to 3 different tools, each will interpret and process the scenario in its own unique way, and it will give us different responses. Even here, it has provided a point-to-point reply, but it lacks clarity. Suppose we want to make this clearer. There's a great website I found that can help with that. It's called Prompt Cowboy. So what is Prompt Cowboy? It's a prompt generator designed to refine rough ideas into well-structured prompts. It essentially turns lazy prompts into powerful ones, transforming ideas into clear, actionable inputs. Now, let's say I enter an option here. Without needing to ask further questions, it takes that input and generates a refined version of the prompt. You'll notice it provides a complete structure, a scenario, a task, an objective, supporting knowledge, and an example, all clearly presented. Once we have this enhanced prompt, we can update it, copy it, and go directly into ChatGPT to use it. Then we enter it into the chat interface. Now it will provide a thorough, chemistry-focused scientific explanation of a cloudburst, covering detailed molecular interactions, thermodynamics, and atmospheric processes. These are the kinds of insights I wanted to explore, but I didn't have the vocabulary to ask for them properly, especially when time is limited, whether you're in research or some other fast-paced field. This is where tools like this come in handy. They can interpret a vague prompt and reshape it into something highly specific. For example, if we want to go beyond a basic prompt, what we might call a lazy prompt, we can replace it with something more advanced. We might specify that we want an in-depth chemical explanation. We can even indicate the level of complexity we need. I'll just say maximum. Once we add that instruction to the prompt, the tool enhances it with greater depth in the chemical explanation. You'll notice it includes something like provide maximum chemical complexity in the explanation. Now, if we compare the output here, we can clearly see a significant improvement. The original version lacked any real mention of chemical reactions. It gave us a straightforward response. But this one includes a scientific definition, covering atmospheric chemistry and the rule that is directly tied to physical laws. It also explains the role of aerosols and presents the details with complete specificity. It provides a clear step-by-step breakdown. Then we have visuals included. It even presents the thermodynamic profile of a cloudburst. At the end, it provides a conclusion. And this is how responses keep improving over time, if we continue refining them. If we move on to a new prompt, here we have options like standard, reasoning, and deep research. Multiple different choices are available. Let's say I select the reasoning prompt. I'll enter definition of Murphy's Law. We set it right here. Now it prompts us to sign in. So let's log in. Now it's offering a breakdown to explain Murphy's Law. It first describes the goal, then shows the return format, lists warnings, and provides context. If we copy it directly from here and paste it into the model to start a new conversation, we are given a base law along with an explanation, and it introduces a very useful tool, its origin. This includes philosophical interpretations and provides a wide range of information related to any topic. If we want to include different specific details, it will use whatever origin, depth, and context we provide to further enhance the prompt. Once we use that refined prompt, it delivers even better options. After it is generated, we enter it, and the tool adds exactly what we included in the edits. We can then copy it directly from there and paste it into ChatGPT. By pasting it, we can further diversify our prompt. This is how it can be effectively used. I've already mentioned that there are several valuable use cases for this tool, and if we explore it further, many more possibilities open up. If we use a simple standard prompt and give a prompt related to an image, it will enhance that specific prompt significantly. For example, it includes situation, task, objective, knowledge, an example, all structured and added for us. If we had only provided the image, the result would have been basic. But with a well-formed prompt, the image output becomes much more refined. You can clearly estimate the difference between the two results. This tool can be used in many ways. If you want to edit the prompt, there's an edit option available. After copying it, you can use it in Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, or any other LLM directly. Hope you found this video helpful. Please also press the bell icon to get notifications of the newest videos on the channel, and don't forget to subscribe.